Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tallies in research. Tallying is a fundamental method for organizing and counting data, especially useful during initial data collection. It helps you quickly record observations or responses in a structured way. By grouping counts into sets of 5, you can easily visualize and sum up frequencies, making your research process more efficient and accurate from the very beginning. To begin, prepare your tally sheet by clearly defining the categories you will be observing. For instance, if you are counting types of responses, list each response option. Then, create a column next to each category where you will place your tally marks. This structured approach ensures that every piece of data has a designated place, preventing confusion and maintaining data integrity throughout your collection period. As you collect data for every instance of a category, draw a single vertical line. Once you have 4 vertical lines, the 5th mark should be drawn diagonally across the previous 4, forming a complete group of 5. This method, known as a gate, allows for rapid visual counting. For example, 10 items would be represented by 2 such groups, making it simple to sum up your observations. Once all data is collected, the next step is to sum the tally marks for each category. Each completed group of 5 represents 5 units, making the summation straightforward. For example, if you have 3 full groups and 2 additional marks, your total is 17. These raw frequencies can then be used to calculate percentages or create visual aids like bar graphs, providing clear insights into your research findings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.